Wait, what? Is that an Android on your iOS? Yes, it is an Android on iOS. So let's begin with the video itself. So let's see how you guys can simulate Android on your iOS devices. So first of all, you have to just go to the links down in the description and make sure you open that link only into the Safari. So Samsung has provided iTest for iOS devices that will help you to simulate Android on your iOS devices, and you are able to use some of the features. So once you are on the website, then you have to just click on this button and then scroll down, and then you have to click on add to home screen. Wait until the icons get loaded, then click on add, and you will be able to see Samsung iTest on your springboard. So once the icon has been appeared, then you can just open up the app and just wait until it gets load, and again you have to just click on next, and let's go, and then you are able to use Android simulation on your iOS devices. So you can use as many things you want. So it's just a simulation, it's not the proper Android. So you can go and flex it up with some of your friends. You can call and it will, some bot will speak and something. Next thing, you can also show that you are able to do conversation with someone. Let's type hi and send it, and the bot will reply it to you, as you can see. So all the features you can use. So this camera is in the simulation mode, it will not show the proper camera. This is the settings, you can see. So it's pretty much that's it, and you can explore as many things you want in this thing. So that much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button, so please like and subscribe. Peace out.